This stop is Wynyard. Alight for Martin Place and Barangaroo. Change for trains including the airport line and ferries from Barangaroo. The next stop is Bridge Street, followed by Circular Quay. This stop is Bridge Street. The next stop is Circular Quay. This stop is Circular Quay. This service terminates at Circular Quay. Alight for Sydney Opera House and the Rocks. Change for trains, including the airport line and ferries.
We're just gonna walk around.